boiling river.
This river is 6 kilometers long. If you fall in it, you're dead. Just imagine.
Vamos a poner el huevito acá.
She's cooking the egg. It's putting it inside the water, which is boiling to 95 degrees, and the egg is going to be cooked in some minutes.
She left the eggs for 30 seconds in the river, and the egg is cooked. The reason is, they said scientists found out after some time. The reason for that is that there's a volcano under it. Imagine, a river on a volcano. This is the reason for it being this hot.
They believe that this river was warmed up by the sun power. And after that, a researcher discovered that it is the power of a volcano right down the river which warms up this river. In which this is the hottest part, and we just have to go through the river and we'll get to a part in which it is colder. You can actually not even touch the water. It will cook yourself.
It will cook myself?
Yeah, it will be cooked. Eatable.
Pero ya está sancochado, mira.
The temperature is written here, 95 degrees. Here it's written in Spanish.
The boiling river. You can come cook your food, but there's no animal inside, no fish.
No fish can live here.
Smoke goes up like this for 24 hours and it goes for 6 kilometers long, by the Amazon. It means you're next to a frying pan, in the kitchen, for 24 hours. Imagine.
The egg is ready to eat.
You can make a cup of tea here, or coffee.
Alright, we see this water is cool enough to make a tea.
The camera might melt. We can't go closer than this to the water. It's unusual.
Boiling river, in Spanish, Agua Caliente. I have never came here, so I don't know how warm this is, how hot. Yeah.
You can't touch it for 3 seconds. The river is there. This is a branch of it. This branch, which takes to Iquitos City. Leave a comment. I hope it gets easier, because it's possible that I go through the borders to Brazil, to the largest forest in the world. We'll cross the borders in an intersection. We'll go 2 days on a boat, then borders between Brazil and Colombia. Borders, Brazil, Colombia and Peru. In one place, we'll try to enter Brazil. If we enter, we'll go directly to the forest. One mistake can get you killed. Don't try this. Don't forget to hit like and share the video. Subscribe so we can reach 10 million.
Let's go!